So today I'm up with a very much bonus video for surpassing 100 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you guys for surpassing me 100 subscribers on YouTube. So today I'm up with a bonus video like that, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some chili chicken. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, for making chili chicken, so as you can see that I have taken some 500 grams of chicken over here. These are boneless, no, so these are not boneless pieces. There are bone and boneless pieces all inside it. So for making all this recipe, so first step is the marination. So for the marination, we will need somewhat 1 tablespoon of vinegar in it. So put the vinegar in the chicken. Then we are gonna need the 1 teaspoon of soya sauce in it. Then after putting the soya sauce, we're gonna put our homemade ginger garlic paste. Then some kali mirch powder. So you can also use like the black pepper powder. It is easily available in the markets. Some black pepper powder, and then some salt as per taste. So I'm using like 1 tablespoon of salt only, because soya sauce also contains much amount of salt. So now we are gonna mix it nicely. So guys, now I'm gonna just use my hand to mix it, because by mixing by hand it's create a perfect mixture, and all the masalas go inside your chicken, and it keeps on regulating, and like it smoothens the chicken a little bit. So we have to mix it gently. So if you're having some like leg pieces, you can also make some cuts on them, and then like just put the masala, because then it creates like a good mixture on the masalas. That would help you a bit. So guys, now you can see that our marination is complete. Now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for like 10 to 15 minutes only. So guys, now you can see that the chicken is all marinated. You can see, so I've kept it in the refrigerator for like 2 hours, and now what we have to do, we have to coat it again with some like 1 egg, then 2 tablespoons of corn flour, then 2 tablespoons of maida, which is flour. And now we have to just put the maida in the chicken, which is like marinated chicken, and then put the corn flour. So putting the corn flour, like it creates a layer beneath it. And just I can just put the corn flour in it. Then we have to put our 1 egg. Then you have to mix it by hand. You can also use our tablespoons to mix it, but I'm using my hand because it creates a nice mixture in it. Just mix it by hand. So guys, now you can see that I mixed my chicken with the second marination, and now we'll have to fry this in the medium flame. So now I'm gonna fry it. One by one I will put the chicken pieces. So do not put, so just fry them like that. So do not put more chicken pieces, because then it will like stick together in the chicken, so that would create a mess for you guys. So I just assume. So after putting like 3 chicken pieces, now put them in a gap and now just wait that till then it does the golden color. So guys, now you can see that our chicken pieces are all like golden yellow. So now we'll transfer onto a plate. So guys, for the vegetable process, so I'm using some like square shaped capsicums, and then some of the onions. So if you want it like more spicy, so you can add some green chilies also, but I don't like some spicy food, so I'm not adding some green chilies, but you can also add the green chilies. So that's the main tip. So guys, now you can see that our chicken pieces are all fried, and so it looks like those pakora, chicken pakora types. So now we have to prepare the gravy for that, and so this was the dry process of making the chili chicken for the chicken, and now we'll prepare the gravy. So let's get started. So guys, now for the preparation of the gravy. So first heat some oil in the pan, then we have to put our vegetables inside it. So let's put the vegetables. So what we have to do, we have to first saute them for a while. So guys, after some time, so we will put the ginger garlic paste, what like half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then we have to add some salt as per taste, because the soya sauce also contains a huge amount of salt. Then we have to add some black pepper powder for the Chinese seasoning. And then what we have to do, we have to just mix it for a while. So guys, the last thing which I want to tell you, that just keep a note that you should not fry the onions at the fullest. You have to fry only 50% of them, because in the gravy also it will like fry over them. So do not fry the whole 100%, just fry over 50% only. And then I am just sauteing the capsicum and the onions in it, and now it's ready. So guys, now after like frying for some time, so now we have to put the sauce inside it. So first we have to put like one tablespoon of vinegar in it. Then we have to put the soya sauce in it. It's the main ingredient in the Chinese food. So it goes like 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Then we have to put some like the green chili sauce in it for some spicy look. Then we have to put my favorite, which is the red chili sauce. Then what you have to do, so I am having this large bundle of the tomato ketchup, so I am going to put some tomato ketchup into it also. So there goes some tomato ketchup, and just mix it. So we have to now mix it gently, and so then what you have to put some water in it to maintain the gravy balance, like only like half a cup of water in it to maintain balance. And mix it again. So after some time we are gonna put like a pinch of sugar in, because it maintains the red chili sauce and the tanginess of the flavor. So do not add much sugar, because then it will give you a sweet flavor. But the Chinese dishes have some like the spicy flavor, so don't put much of the sugar, then it could create a mess in your dish. Mix it gently, and now we'll get to the next step. So now guys, after some time, so what you have to do, you have to take a cup and then put some corn flour in it, and then like mix some water, and then you have to add the corn flour with water mixture like gradually into the gravy. So you have to add gradually and then mix one by one. Keep on adding it and then keep on mixing it one by one. So now guys, you can see that because we are making the chili chicken like the gravy one, so I've added like 2 cups of water in it. So after adding like 2 cups of water, then we will put our chickens into the gravy. So take the chickens one by one and then put them in the gravy. So now you can see that I put the chicken pieces into the gravy. So now we will mix it with the gravy. So now guys, you can see that our chili chicken gravy is all ready to be served, and also I've topped some like chili flakes over it for some dressing, and there you go. This is your chili chicken gravy recipe, and I hope you like my recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily notification. Till then, we'll meet you guys in the next recipe video. Till then, bye, stay home, stay safe.